In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on StanStore. First, log into your StanStore account. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled My Store and click on it. This is where you'll see your store header and your list of existing products. To add your new course, click on Add Product. A menu will pop up showing different product types you can create inside StanStore. From that list, select eCourse. This will open up the product editor. Inside the product editor, you'll see a live preview on the right and your main product settings in the center. Let's start with the thumbnail, which is what people will see first. Choose a thumbnail style. You can pick a button style, a callout, or a preview. Then click Choose Image. You can either pick from StanStore's built-in image options or click Upload Image to add one from your computer. After that, add your course title. Just below it, write a short subtitle that explains what your students will learn or get from the course, ideally in one clear sentence. Then, update the button text to something that matches your offer, like Sign Up Now, Register, or Access the Course. When that looks good, click Next. Now you're on the checkout page settings. Here you can add another image if you like, to reinforce your branding or give a sneak peek of the course. In the description body field, write a more detailed description of your video course. This is rich text, so you can format the text, embed an image or a video, and even add links. Then customize your bottom title and your call to action button so they clearly invite people to enroll. Next, set your price. You can choose a one-time payment where you just enter a single price. If you want to show a discount, toggle on the discount option and enter your discounted amount. Or you can choose a subscription. This is set up similarly, but you'll also select how often it recurs: daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. You can optionally set the subscription to automatically cancel after a certain number of months. Below that, edit the information you collect from customers. Name and email are required and can't be removed, but you can add extra fields like phone, text fields, multiple choice, drop-downs, or checkboxes if you need more details. Then click Next. Now let's build the actual course. Under the course section, find Course Homepage and click Edit Page. Here you can upload an image, edit the main title and description, and customize your branding by choosing the font, background color, and highlight color. When you're happy with the look, click Save. You'll notice that 3 modules are already created for you as a starting point. If you don't need one, click the 3 vertical dots to the right of that module and choose Delete, then confirm in the pop-up. To add more modules, scroll to the bottom of your last module and click Add Module. You can click any module header to expand or collapse it. Inside each module, you'll see lessons. Click on a lesson to open the course builder. Click Select Video, then choose your course video file from your computer and confirm. After the video uploads, edit your lesson title, and in the description area, explain what students will learn in that lesson and any key takeaways. You can also upload supporting materials such as PDFs, worksheets, or other files that help students complete the module. When that lesson is ready, click Publish. If you get taken back to the thumbnail area of the editor, just click on the Course tab again and repeat the process for your remaining modules and lessons. Once all of your modules and lessons are set up and published, look for the main Publish button at the bottom right under the Course tab and click it. Wait for the page to reload. When everything is successfully saved and live, you should see a confirmation pop up at the top of the screen. That means your course is now created and ready for your audience on StanStore.